few good things to eat here.
Well, there are many
think?
good things. Ina's brand new book is all about her years of experience in the kitchen, helping us home cooks be better and more confident.
Yeah.
You give us tips, you give us tricks, and of course your great recipes.
Thank
Things like your red berry shortcakes.
Right.
And this is a combination of strawberries and raspberries?
Yeah, I like the combination. I think it's more interesting than just straight strawberry.
Yeah, take a look right here. So you get that sweet shortcake, you get the lovely whipped topping, and then a mixture of berries. A little bird tells me, and a little bird meaning you, because I watched you on Facebook, you said that this is one of your favorite chicken dishes.
I've probably made this more than anything in the book. It's a frisee salad with roasted potatoes, little fingerling potatoes, and mustard chicken. So it's hot and cold and mustard, and it's just incredible.
Sounds amazing. And if you've ever wanted to learn to make your own homemade beef stock,
which makes a big difference.
It makes a huge difference, as I
yeah.
know, because I watched you for years and read all your books. This is an extraordinary opportunity for you to learn, not only to learn beef stock, but you also give us a recipe for chicken stock and fish stock, I believe.
Exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
So
and they're easier than you think, right?
Well, and that's
Aren't
what's
they?
so amazing.
Yeah.
And it is easier than you think.
It sounds daunting, but it's
You
easy.
just have to know where to buy the right ingredients, right?
Yeah.
And use the right ingredients.
Yeah.
And be patient.
Yeah.
That's the
Patience
key
is
there.
good.
So this is available for you. This is going to be 6 easy payments of $4.08.
That's incredible.
We're shipping this on October 22nd. 97 total recipes, and Ina Garten is here. So thrilled you're back.
So happy to be here.
I know
Thank you.
that everyone's excited to see you, and they're clamoring on Facebook about your visit, and I know they've already started dialing in for your book. We'll see you in a little while.
See you in a little while.
I can't
Okay,
wait.
thanks.
Ina Garten is here, everybody. All right, now, what am I making for our final recipe of our Bountiful Bread Month? We're making my